No, the laws of logic do not contradict miracles. Now, before we get into why, let's define our terms. The laws of logic are rational statements that are universally true. The first law of logic is the law of identity, which says that something is what it is and is not what it isn't. So, for example, a cup is a cup. A cup is not a cow or an airplane. The second law of logic is the law of non-contradiction, which states that something cannot be itself and not itself at the same time and in the same sense, or something cannot be both true and false at the same way, same sense. Can't happen. The third law of logic is the law of excluded middle, which says that statements are either true or false. That means statements are either true or false. There's no middle ground. A statement is either true or false, so that's how that is. Such laws and other logical laws form the undergirding foundations of rational thought. Now, a miracle, on the other hand, is an extraordinary event, something that appears to defy the normal laws of physics. Miracles, from the Christian perspective, are authored by God. Examples of miracles would be the parting of the Red Sea, turning water into wine, and the physical resurrection of Jesus. Now, there is no logical reason why an omnipotent and omniscient God could not part the Red Sea or could not turn water into wine and raise someone from the dead. The Christian theology of God is that He is the creator. He's the creator of the universe, and that He is the master of all its laws, since basically He created them. Undoubtedly, God would have access to certain laws of the universe that we just don't know about, and then He could use them in such a way that they would appear to be miraculous to us. No problem. Also, since He transcends space and time and is not restricted to the physical universe, it is logical to assume that He has characteristics within His own nature that we cannot comprehend and that He can call upon in order to perform whatever He wants. For example, we cannot fathom what it means to be in all places and at all times, as God is. We don't know how God knows all things. We can understand the concept, but we can't experience it. How can God be outside of time? Well, there again, we can understand the concept, but we can't experience that reality. So, we can safely conclude that within the Christian perspective of God, He possesses attributes that allow Him to access laws of the universe that we do not know about, and that He can use them. And He can use them in combination with His divine power and nature in order to bring about the miraculous. Now, there's nothing illogical about this at all. Therefore, there's nothing illogical about God performing miracles.